Now the next thing remaining is we have to create forward and reverse lookup zone. So go to server manager. And tools. Here you can see DNS. So right click and create new zone. Next, right clicking the forward lookup zone. So it's the primary zone, there is nothing else. So next, choose all DNS servers in the domain. So this one. Next, the zone name, we can enter our domain name, what we given, I believe it was pms.local. Allow only secure dynamic updates. And finish. Seeing it's already existing, let me see. Yeah, it's shown that message because it's already here, it's already configured along with the when we install the DNS. Now we have to create reverse lookup zones. I am not sure. Okay, it's not there. So click, right click and click new zone. Click next. Click primary zone. Click next. To enter network to all DNS running local. Some replicators. Next. Next. Network ID. 10.0. Next. Next. Finish. Now we have to check the DNS zones. We have to create a test host, record in the forward zone. When I am receiving some calls, I am posting it and I am redoing the exercise. So where we stopped here is to create a host, host record. So how to do it is we have to open DNS manager, the same thing, and we have to expand forward lookup zones. Right click on your domain name, that is pms.local. Right click and new host. So here I am giving my name, Srilal PC. give this one my local network 10 Wi-Fi adapter IP. Here it is. Now I cannot add it in the domain, so I had to get another PC which I can add into the domain. Okay, because there are some restrictions on my PC where it's already joined a domain, so I cannot add my PC into the domain. So this actually I'll show you later with another PC. Okay. So since I don't have a PC which I can add into this domain, I will create another virtual PC or another PC itself for this testing purpose later. Now for testing this, we have to create a local user. So for this one, right click on the domain. Not coming. So it's not in, for adding the user, it's not here in this DNS manager. It is in Active Directory, users and computers. The same thing you can open from using tsa.msc and right click on your domain. There has to be new user. I'm unable to get the new user. And see new. I'll go here and I will see it. No, it's not coming. Go here. See. New user. I will take Srilar. Last name will give us Devadas. This will be Srilar at PMS.local. So my ID login is Srilar at PMS.local. So when you are giving some authentications like for scan to email or LDAP, you can use this full name, Srilar, either Srilar PMS/Srilar or Srilar at PMS.local. Give password. I will uncheck this. It depends on the security and privacy. Password never expires. Next. Finish. So this confirms we can create the users and the ID is working. Still, we can do an NS lookup even if we don't have a PC. I'm trying to do it, I'm not sure. So what we can do is go to DNS manager, or share, new host, business test PC again IP. I'm not sure if this will work or not. I'm just checking. So I'm also learning actually. I'm actually not a server administrator. Create associate pointer records. Check this box. This will automatically create a reverse record. Yes, we are checking this. Add host. So here you can see the test PC. The host is created here. The same IP. And here also in reverse lookup zone also it's automatically created since we check the box there to create the PTR. It's automatically pointing here. You can optionally add here as well in manually. So it's not required right now. We want to avoid confusion. So now we can test it with ns lookup command. Open a command prompt window and ns administrator. Type in ns lookup space test PC dot PMS dot local. Let's return the IP address. That means it's working. Okay, so our configuration is finished for the DNS.